Hello, this is Tushar from Litepoint. I work as a Litepoint as a strategic business developer. So let me introduce, I'm excited to introduce Litepoint to you. So Litepoint is a company based in the heart of Silicon Valley in San Jose. We are cutting-edge solution provides wireless testing for cellular and connectivity standards to help customers bring their product to the market reliably and more quickly. Today for the ultra-wideband. So Litepoint has started ultra-wideband since 2017. In fact, we were the first company has a ultra-wideband physical layer measurement back in the days. We work with a lot of tier 1s, OEMs, silicon vendors to help our customer validate their ultra-wideband chip before they go into the production and also on the production. In fact, we were the first company had FiRa consortium back in 2019 to launch the UWB physical layer certification program. And since then, we have partnered with nearly every FiRa member to help their product bring to the market. I'm happy to introduce you to IQGig UWB Plus, a world's first test platform designed to do 802.15.4ab physical layer measurement. This product has been available in the market since 2023. This box helps test 15.4ab more reliably, precisely, to help our customer to launch their product into the market. So let me start with the demo. So this is IQGig UWB Plus. I'm just doing a loopback demo. I'm just trying to use my transmitter, feeding back to my receiver. I'm trying to transmit the 802.15.4ab frames, which is the NBA MMS, which stands for Narrowband Assisted Multi-Millisecond. That's a new ranging protocol has been defined in the spec. That kind of help us to increase the link budget from 4G spec. So then you can do UWB ranging at further distance out. So if you compare 4G with 4AB, with all the enhancement in 4AB, you should be able to do ranging at 10x range compared to the 4G specifications. So then a lot of customers would ask, why this is too complicated? So because it involves two radio, a narrowband radio, which works on the 5 gigahertz channel, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5 band, and traditional UWB radio, which works on a 6 gigahertz and a 9 gigahertz. So it's very essential for a test and measurement company to make sure that the instruments are switching fast enough, keeping the timing requirement pretty tight, like 1.5 millisecond to 2 millisecond, without adding any error. So this is what you see on the screen. This is a power versus time window. You can see a narrowband frame goes out on a 5 gigahertz, then the UWB frame goes out. And then traditionally, you should be able to make all the UWB measurements like a spectrum mass measurement, pulse measurement, TX quality measurement. At the same time, you can also make a UWB narrowband measurement looking at the constellation, looking at the spectrum mass, looking at the TX quality, frequency errors, and then you can use this thing for narrowband assisted multi-millisecond, UWB MMS multi-millisecond. You can do for a UWB radar, which is a sensing package. You can use for newer modulation. You can use for higher data rates. So all those physical enhancement instruments are ready to support. We contribute to IEEE specifications. We are Draft 2 compliant already. Draft 2 came out last month. So our instruments are already up to date with all the newest requirement into the specifications. That's the demo from Litepoint IQGig UWB Plus. We have more in stock. Yeah. If you have any questions, go on litepoint.com, reach out to our sales team for any sales related questions or any Litepoint related support. Thank you.